Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have 7 of moons, 4 of moons and 9 of spheres, Sagittarius. So in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or in your personal life, in this relationship. So you have reached a place, maybe you have a clear understanding, you have faced a lot, you have been through a lot of experiences in your life, and you have all your efforts or all your patience, whatever you did, your efforts, that is going to bear fruits today, guys. And maybe you were in some kind of a difficult situation in your past, and today everything is falling into place. You have balance and harmony in your situation. So things are simply aligning and you are happy with the way things are proceeding in your situation today, guys. Maybe you would have felt stuck or some kind of confusions in your situation, maybe dejection or weariness before, and you were trying to find the right solution. Maybe you were taking a break for some of you. That may be the thing of the past. You would have faced a lot of troubles in your situation, worries and stress, and you wanted to make the right choice, maybe thinking and deciding what needs to be done. And you were working hard towards those dreams, and you were imagining a bright future for yourself, making plans. All that has come to manifest today, guys. So you are seeing successful fruition of your plans and ideas, and things are going in a very positive way, and things are going in a perfect way for you guys. And your patience and your hard work is coming into giving the rewards today. Is paying off. Your patience is paying off today, and you can be happy for that, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship, maybe you were patient, you were waiting for this person, and that may be the reason that you are seeing your situation going in a very positive way. Or it may be a situation in your career. So certain things are falling into place because of your hard work and your patience. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It is 8 of Suns in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, guys, in this relationship, maybe today, maybe because of this reconciliation, or you have come to some kind of understanding today, you are regretting the words you spoke or your behavior, or the things you said or did. Or this may be this person's energy, guys. So maybe they spoke few harsh words, but today you are forgiving this person, and they are happy, overwhelmed, and they feel really sad that they spoke some hurtful words, bad words that would have affected you a lot, and they are realizing their mistake, guys, maybe. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Nine of Suns in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in your career you are facing some troubles, guys. Maybe some financial troubles, some delays may be there, but I see that your situation will resolve if you are able to hold on, guys. Be patient, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we'll see what it is. We have the Wood Maiden, Trust. That is the card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, whatever is happening to you today, whatever is unfolding, you need to trust that. Trust in the moment. Maybe certain things may look unreal. Maybe people are gifting you, or the experience you have, it may look like something magical and you cannot trust yourself for the things that are coming towards you, guys. And you need to be really careful with whom you share your gifts today. Maybe you are in a wonderful situation, but you need to share it with people only whom you trust, guys, on whom you have that total trust. Because maybe some people, they may just they may not believe you, but some of them, they may just try to rob you of your opportunities. So this is the time to believe in what is happening to you in your situation. Maybe some unbelievable changes are happening in this relationship, in this love. So whatever gifts or whatever blessings that you are getting today, you need to hold on to it, cherish that moment and be happy for how things are going today, guys. And even smallest things can bring great happiness in your situation, guys. So if you are content, if you have that contentment in your heart, even the smallest of blessing is going to fill you with happiness and emotional satisfaction. So that is the energy. And whatever good things that you did, maybe your good nature or your hard work, whatever it is going to bring you great rewards. That is also the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Let's see what is the card. It is Cherish Innocence. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not make if you are in the verge of making some important decisions today, this may not be the right time. Maybe this is the time for you to be cheerful, have that innocence in your heart, and face your situation with less fear and more wonder. Act like a child, guys. And we should not take anything too seriously. When you are happy and when you are cheerful, just like a child, you are going to let yourself enjoy the simplest things that you are facing today. And you are going to feel light, less responsible and less burdened today. And maybe you are going to simply feel so much better if you are able to go out, enjoy a little with this person you love, allow yourself to laugh and see your situation, just enjoy, have fun with friends or family or with this person you love, and your situation is going to change magically, guys. So you are going to feel happy, and you are going to cherish that inner child each and every one of us have. So when we go for this childlike pleasures, it is simply going to help us heal and rejuvenate, feel rejuvenated, feel fresh, so we can take on our situation more strongly, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.